Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and I'm going to show you how to fix slow charging on your device. If your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 is taking longer than usual to charge or is failing to trigger the super fast charging notification, you need to at first verify your charger and cable specs. The Galaxy Z Flip 8 requires specific charging protocols to reach its maximum 25 watt speeds. Standard USB-A brick or an older fast charger will default to slower 10 watts or 15 watts speeds. The wall adapter is the first thing you need to verify. You must use a USB Type-C wall adapter that supports USB power delivery PD 3.0 with PPS, programmable power supply, rated at 25 watts or higher. And when it comes to the cable, ensure that you are using a high quality USB Type-C to C cable. If the cable is frayed or lacks the proper data pins for PPS negotiation, the phone will throttle the current for safety. Apart from that, you need to enter the settings, and here you need to scroll down to the battery. Now scroll down even deeper to the charging settings. Make sure that fast charging, the first option, is enabled, or if you are charging your phone using wire charging, make sure that you have fast wire charging enabled. Apart from that, you need to go back and take a look at the battery protection. As you can see here, we've got basic and maximum. If your phone stops completely at 80% or charges extremely slow near the end, check this setting. If it's set to maximum over here, we've got it hard caps the charge at 80%. You need to have it set to basic because here we've got when your battery charged to 100%, charging will stop until the battery level drops down to 95% and then charging will start again. You can of course disable this option also, but it's not recommended. So apart from that, you need to unfold the phone to prevent the thermal throttling. Heat is the enemy of fast charging. When the Z Flip 8 gets too warm, the battery controller aggressively drops the charging wattage to prevent degradation. So charge your phone unfolded. When unfolded, the two halves of the device trap heat between the display and the logic board. Leave the phone completely unfolded like this on a flat surface while charging to maximize the heat dissipation. And apart from that, you need to avoid gaming, video calling, or using Android Auto while fast charging. Now, apart from that, you need to try cleaning the USB Type-C port. Pocket lint, dust, and debris easily pack into the bottom of the USB Type-C port, preventing the charging cable from sitting properly deeply enough to engage the fast charging data pins. So turn off your phone at first, then shine a flashlight into this port, USB Type-C port, and use a non-metallic tool like a wooden toothpick or a plastic dental pick to gently scrape the bottom of the port and remove compacted lint. Do not scrape the central pin connector. And plug the cable back until you feel a firm click, like this. Wait a moment. Here I've got the cable. This click is what I mean. This is this click. Yeah, that's what I meant. So, apart from that, you need to check for the moisture or foreign object alerts. If the phone detects water or conductive debris in the charging port, it will disable charging or restrict it to a very slow trickle for safety reasons. If you see a water drop icon on the screen or any notifications, unplug the device immediately. Tap the phone gently against your hand with the port facing down to dislodge water. Then leave it to air dry in a well-ventilated area for at least 2 hours before attempting to fast charge again. And as the last resort, you need to check the wireless charging speeds. If the USB Type-C port refuses to charge quickly despite a clean port and the correct charger, test the phone on a 50 watts QI wireless charger. If wireless charging works at its expected speed but wired charging does not, the internal USB Type-C ribbon cable may be physically damaged and require a warranty repair. So, that's it. Bye!